Once again, I join you at the end of another long and exhausting week of attempting to cycle across the United States with messy helmet hair, a quite sunburnt nose, and stood in the glamorous surroundings of a motel. And once again, this week has been filled with all the highs and the lows that I've now come to expect from a trip as epic as this. This is the Rocky Mountains, and I am about 150 feet from the highest point I'm going to reach on this whole journey. I don't take these journeys for granted. However tough this adventure might be, I don't lose sight of the fact that this is a huge privilege to get to do this thing for a living and to see these sorts of sights. And this is the great American West. This is Montana in all its glory, surrounded by mountains and livestock and ranches, and cycling along these long straight roads that go on for tens and tens of miles. This is utterly epic. I have spent all morning, about 4 hours, cycling into a headwind that must be 15 or 20 miles per hour, and it is just so demoralizing. It is like cycling through porridge. You just really don't feel like you're moving very efficiently at all. It is a very beautiful place to be cycling. I'm still very much in the Rocky Mountains. I'm surrounded by green trees and ranches and pastures filled with livestock, but cycling into a headwind, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, Montana, back at home, you could be anywhere. Cycling in wind is just tough. In the last 24 hours, I have made it to my 4th state of Wyoming. And if all goes to plan in the next 3 or 4 days, then my next stop is Nebraska.